Hey guys, welcome back to VL InfoTech. Today in this video, I will show you how to write a Python program to print even numbers of a given number. Let's start the code. First, I will write the code, so please observe the code. Later on, I will explain. While typing the code, please be careful by using indentations. Yeah, we are done. Now we need to save the file. Click on File, click on Save As, give any file name. Now here I will give evennum.py. Python file should be saved with the extension .py. So file name .py. Click on save. Yeah, file is saved. You can see over here. Now we need to execute this file by using command prompt. For that we need to open command prompt by typing cmd enter. We have to create a path. cd space desktop enter. Dictionary dir enter. Now we need to type file name evennum.py extension enter. Enter a number. For suppose I will give 10. Enter. See, we are getting 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These are the even numbers. For suppose we will give 20. Then we are getting 2, 4, 6 till 20. These are all even numbers. Copy, paste. Yeah. Now I will explain the code. First line of code, enter a number. This line of code is used to enter a number by the user. Like this. Enter a number equal to 10, suppose 20, 30, like that. Now x equal to 0 while x less than n. It will check the condition. If x less than n, then it will enter the loop and it will increment x. And after that, if x modulus 2 equal to, this is the modulus operator. Modulus operator will give remainder of that number. Now it will check, is the modulus by 2 equal 0, then it will print the value of x. Again it will increment. Now it will check again if x less than n. Suppose if we are taking number as 10, first it will check 0 less than or 10. Then it will enter the loop. Again it will increment. 1 less than 10. Again it will increment. Like that it will check till 10. So we are getting from 2 to till the end of the number. In this way we need to write the code. This part of the code is the main thing. If the modulus of 2 equal 0, means remainder equal 0 when it is modulus by 2, it is an even number. I hope everyone understand this code. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I will try to explain again. Yeah, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until then, I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep smiling, keep coding.